Think brushing twice a day is enough? Think again, you might be ruining your teeth every single day without realizing it. It feels harmless, but chewing ice can chip or crack your enamel over time. Cold, hard, and dangerous. This anxious habit wears down teeth, chips enamel, and can even shift your bite. Keep your fingers away. Opening packages or bottle caps with your teeth, one wrong move and you're in for a costly dental repair. Brushing aggressively erodes enamel and irritates your gums. Gentle pressure is all you need. Frequent snacking keeps acid levels high in your mouth, which can weaken enamel and cause decay, even if the snack seems healthy. Often done during sleep or stress, grinding wears down teeth fast. If you wake up with jaw pain, it's time for a night guard. Even if your teeth feel fine, regular checkups catch hidden problems early. Prevention saves your smile and your wallet. If you're doing any of these habits, don't worry, it's not too late. Start fresh today. Like, subscribe and check the link below for the best natural dental solutions.